Question number 14. The perimeter of the base of a cone is 44 centimeter and the slant height is 25 centimeter. Find the volume and curved surface of the cone. Perimeter of a cone equal to 44 centimeter. Perimeter is 2 pi r 44, which implies r is equal to 44 upon 2 into pi is 22 upon 7. 22 2s are 44. 2 is cancelled, which implies radius r equal to 7 centimeter. Slant height L equal to 25 centimeter. L square is equal to r square plus h square, which implies 25 square, that is equal to r is 7 square plus h square. 25 are 625 is equal to 49 plus h square. So h square equal to 625 minus 49. 625 minus 49, that is equal to 15 minus 9 is 6 and 11 minus 4 is equal to 5, which implies h square is equal to 576. So h is equal to under root 576. So height we get 24 square. 24 square is equal to 576. So height is equal to 24 centimeter. And find the volume. Volume of cone equal to 1 upon 3 pi r square h, which implies 1 upon 3 into pi is 22 upon 7 into radius is 7 into 7 into height is 24. 7 is cancelled. 8 3s are 24, which implies we get volume is equal to 22 into 7 into 8 centimeter cube. So volume equal to 22 7s are 7 2s are 14 plus 1 15 into 8 centimeter cube. Volume equal to 154 multiplied by 8. 8 4s are 32, 3 carry, 8 5s are 40, 43, 4 carry, 8 1s are 8, 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. Volume is equal to 1232 centimeter cube. Answer. And curved surface area. Curved surface area of cone, that is equal to pi r l, which implies Pi is 22 upon 7. Radius is equal to 7 and slant height L is equal to 25. 7 is cancelled. Centimeter square. Curved surface area of cone equal to 25 to jar 50, 25 to jar 50, 50 plus 5, 55 centimeter square. Answer. Question number 15. The volume of the right circular cone is 9856 centimeter cube and the area of its base is 616 centimeter square. Find the slant height of the cone, total surface area of the cone. Volume of cone equal to 9856 centimeter cube. Area of its base, that is equal to 616 centimeter square. Volume of cone is 1 upon 3 pi r square h, that is equal to 9856 centimeter cube. Area of its base is 616 centimeter square. Pi r square equal to 616. R square is equal to 616 upon pi is 22 upon 7. 7 multiplied by 616. 11 2 are 22 and 32 are 60. 8 2 are 16. 11 2 are 22. 11 8 are 88. R square equal to 28 into 7, which implies R square equal to 8 7s are 56, 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 5, 19, and R is equal to under root 196, so R equal to 14 centimeter. And volume equal to 1 upon 3 into 22 upon 7 into 14 into 14 into h, that is equal to 9856 centimeter cube. 7 2s are 14 and height is equal to 9856 multiplied by 3 divided by 22 into 14 into 2. 11 2s are 22, 11 8s are 88, 10 105, and 11 9s are 99, 6 11 6 are 66, and 2 1s are 2, 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 2 1s are 2, 2 2 jar 4, 2 2 jar 4, 4 2 jar 8, and 7 2 jar 14, 2 1 jar 2 1 jar 2 2 jar 4, 7 1 jar 7, 16 7 jar 112. So height is equal to 16 3 jar 48 centimeter. And slant height, first part, slant height, that is L square is equal to R square plus H square. So L is equal to under root of R square. R is 14, 14 square plus 48 square, which implies L is equal to 14 square is 196 and 48 square, 48 into 48. 8 8s are 64, 8 4s are 32, 38, and 38. 8 4s are 32, 4 4s are 16, plus 3 19. That is 4032, 2304. And L is equal to 6 plus 4, 10, 9 plus 1, 10. That is 25. 23 plus 1, 24. 1 carry 25. So slant height equal to 2500 root, that is equal to 50 centimeter. Answer. And solution of second part. Total surface area of cone, that is pi r L plus r, which implies 22 upon 7 into radius is 14 and slant height is 50, radius is 14. 7 2 jar 14, which implies 22, 2 jar 44 into 64 centimeter square. So TSA of cone equal to 64 into 44, 4 4s are 16, 6 4s are 24, plus 1 25, 652, that is 6, 6 plus 5 11, 5 plus 2 7, plus 1 8, and 2, 2816 centimeter square. Answer.